While working in a coal mine, the mine collapsed and many miners were trapped in the mine. They had to wait for rescue without a promise in the dark underground, where they were out of contact with the outside world. A week later, they were rescued dramatically. Sadly, however, one of them lost his life. He was the only miner to wear a luminous watch. He counted the days of being trapped, checking his watch every moment, because it made him more anxious, and thought of his bad future. Leonard Poon from the University of Georgia and colleagues study the impact of psychosocial domains on health and quality of life. As a result, they revealed that maintaining a positive outlook on life is more important than biological markers of health. Have a positive outlook. This is the key to health and quality of life. When you have a positive outlook, your life is brighter, and you become happier. This is a quote from Robin Lyons. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you'll start having positive results.